Hi guys, this is Josh Check here, and for today's video guys is I'm going to show you on how to change the watch face of your Mibro Color. Let's go. Hey guys, this is Josh here and welcome back to our channel. And for today's video guys is I'm going to show you on how to change the watch face of your Mibro Color Smartwatch. So guys, all we just have to do is we're going to open our Mibro Fit, and if you have not downloaded it yet, then make sure to do so. So in our case, let's just open Mibro Fit, okay, and let's tap on device, and we are going to just click on watch face market. So tap more, and voila guys, you can see the different watch faces that are available for you. So as you can see guys, it's a lot. So let's try to change the watch face guys and use this one here. Okay, let's tap on this one, kind of angry picture there. So let's tap on installation. Okay, and in our watch guys, you can see that it is now uploading guys, our watch face. And that's it guys. As you can see, we have a beautiful, nice looking watch face there. Okay, it's easy guys. Alright, and if you have any questions, just comment down below guys, and if you like this video, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. And guys, make sure to click on the notification bell for you to be updated whenever we have a new smartwatch on our channel. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you on our next video.